Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce. My name is Setio Prankwisuma from the Computer Science Department. Student ID 22040700105. Today I will be cloud computing course. Title Object Service. Object Storage Service or OSS, uh, the little limit storage evolution and article guide to Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service or OSS, dissecting the functional ecosystem, uh, scalability, optimization, and serverless extension. Next, the different storage. One traditional file storage or an object storage or service or OSS. The traditional file storage, one rigid net hierarchy, hierarchy to limit hardware capacity. 3. High upfront cost. 4. Extreme over provisioning risk. Object storage service or OSS. Plat key value mapping to transparent capacity expansion. 3. Massive very free scalability. 4. Flexible pay as you go model. The paradigm shift OSS eliminates rigid directory hierarchy. A single bucket can transparently hold up to 5050 petabytes of data in the background with zero degradation in access performance. The next presentation is fundamental anatomy of the OSS ecosystem. Three ecosystem. One top layer object key, unique identifier, or up to 1024 byte UTF-8. Metadata, inherent attribute, and checksum values. Data. Actual file content 5 gigabyte standard limit up to 5 terabyte via multi-port upload. Middle layer bucket. The top level namespace container bucket names must be globally unique across the entire ecosystem. And last base layer, Apsara and Pango DFS. The underlying distribute file system is basically slice and store every piece of data across three separate physical copies to guarantee maximum reliability. The next presentation breakdown URL access, the construction, and the directory illusion. This one, HTTPS is protocol. These two, GDP test bucket name acts as globally resolvable DNS entity. Cannot be changed or duplicated. 3. OSSF one .com. Regional specific endpoint. And 4. Object key or file name. This folder asset the folder subfolder JS file jQuery JS. In the OSS backend, folder structure do not exist. It is a single continuous 1D string path traffic within a flat storage space. This enables lightning fast search indexing. This the next the next presentation. This optimization matrix storage class. Table 1 standard, table 2 infrequent access, table 3 archive, table 4 code archive. Table 1 standard or highly frequent access. Retrieval time instant, retrieval cost free. Table 2 infrequent access, one occasionally access. Retrieval time instant, retrieval cost apply incentive rather retrieval. Table 3 archive cool. Long-term receiving up to 1 minute. Apply. Table 4 code archive. Report legal complaints or audit. Ret- Retrieval time 1 to 12 hour. Retrieval cost apply. Architectural rule use this thermal guide to engineer for sufficient architecture object within the identical bucket can post entire different storage class. This the next presentation geographic redundancy architecture enterprise grade protection. Two LRS local redundant storage, GRS John redundant storage, uh, LRS local redundant storage copy 3 copy within satu zone. Surface availability 11%, 99%. Data durability 12 nines. GRS John redundant storage copy distributed across 3 zones. Serviceability 95%. Data durability 12 nines. Key advance absolute tolerance against complete single zone operational failure with zero service downtime. The next presentation OSS autonomy, life cycle, versioning, and replication. Life cycle was automates flow. One, upload standard. Two, automatic downgrade to AI class. Three, permanent deletion. Two, versioning or version management. Forwarding a file does not delete the old asset. It assigns a hidden version EDS allowing seamless rollback and anti-tampering protection. 3. Post-region application or CRR automates asynchronous asynchronous bucket synchronization across geographic region or seamless disaster recovery scenarios. The next presentation this functional extension serverless image processing. Uh, this one high resolution regional asset in bucket. Is two transparent background compute. History modified output received by client. Dynamic image processing cooperates rise watermark format compression execute via URL parameter This occurs instantaneously without modifying the source file, completely eliminating the need for dedicated middle-tier compute server. The next presentation is functional extension, global scale static web hosting. OSS can take over the role of traditional web server. It become an ultra low cost hosting solution with massive serverless capability. Example is client node, not client types, DNS resolution, DNS not CNAME record, uh, and OSS not bucket endpoint server index.html or 04.html. Smart feature back to origin mirroring. If a client requests an object not yet present in OSS, the system can transparently fetch it, it, it from the origin server, mirror it directly into the bucket, and instantly serve into the client. OSS origin server. The next presentation, this traffic fortress, firewall logics, and real-time audit. The this this outlink protection, bandwidth, depth, reputation. The is anonymous the third-party site. This access denied. This register domain. This access granted. This real-time log query dashboard. Real-time audit trial with full text search indexing support by native DDoS mitigation capable of absorbing attacks up to 5 Gbps. The next presentation is the security metric assess like and cryptographic encryption. This bucket and object access control is a cell. This private, this pub public read, this read or write. This data trust encryption. This SSA, USS automated SSA chemist advanced. The next presentation, micro security, identity components, and token life cycle. This for client request a RAM user or application request with access to the GDPT's bucket. This TTL-based access or time to life. This RAM policy check. This STS ticket issuance. The next presentation synthesis the unified USS ecosystem architecture. This execution group, security was storage and management core, reliability foundation, articulation conclusion. Alibaba Cloud's USS is not merely a file repository. It is a comprehensive serverless ecosystem for data processing, security, and content delivery, couple, couple, capable of functioning independently as the backend infrastructure for global scale application. Uh, the presentation uh, is is finished. Thank you very much atas perhatiannya. Terima kasih.